This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, and I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. And I have a 2027 Peterbilt 589 day cab. It's got the 131-inch hood. It has 13,200 pound steer axle capacity with air disc brakes. She's riding around on Continental 11R 24/5 tires. Dual-sided cab exhaust. It's a 226-inch wheelbase. Got our stainless steel cover for our DEF tank over here. And our 80-gallon fuel tank. It's got 46,000 pound rears on air track rear suspension. Full locking differentials. Air disc brakes. 358 gears. Got polished Alcoa aluminum wheels. Got our Holland FW35 fifth wheel with the no tilt convertible option. 30-inch air slide. Over here we've got a 135-gallon tank that's split. You have 85 gallons of fuel and 50 gallons of hydraulic oil capacity. It's got the dual-sided cab exhaust. With lights underneath the cab and in front of the breathers. It's got two roof-mounted air horns. Stainless visor. Put the stainless rock guards underneath the headlights. Texas-style front bumper. It's got some fog lights. Let's take a look underneath the hood. Under the hood, we've got our Cummins X15 engine. It's 565 horse, 50 foot-pounds of torque. Behind that, we've got our 18-speed manual transmission. Inside, we've got our premier interior. Driver and passenger air ride leather seats. Some extra gauges in the dash. Got our CB mount wiring and antenna cable up there underneath the header. Multi-function steering wheel. So if you can use this, give me a call. 706-372-4698.